Dialogue 1. Asking about the weather. Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, Jane. I'm doing well, thanks.
The weather is lovely today, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Clear skies and sunshine.
Have you checked the forecast for tomorrow?
Yes, I heard it might rain tomorrow.
Really? I was hoping for more sun.
I know, but we need the rain.
That's true. The garden could use it.
Yes, the plants need a good soaking.
Have you been outside much today?
Yes, I took a walk this morning.
Was it warm enough for a walk?
Yes, perfect weather for a morning stroll.
Did you see many people out?
Yes, lots of people enjoying the sun.
I think I'll go for a walk later.
That sounds like a great idea.
Do you think it will stay warm?
Yes, it should stay warm all day.
I might wear a light jacket, though.
Just in case the wind picks up?
Exactly. Sometimes it gets chilly unexpectedly.
True, especially in the late afternoon.
Have you heard about the weekend weather?
Yes, they're predicting a cold front, unfortunately.
Oh no, I was planning a picnic.
Maybe it won't be too cold, though.
I hope not. I've been looking forward to it.
You could bring some blankets just in case.
That's a good idea. Better be prepared.
Do you enjoy picnics often, Jane?
Yes, especially when the weather cooperates.
Me too. I love eating outdoors.
Have you ever had a picnic in the rain?
Once, but it wasn't much fun.
I can imagine. Wet food and soggy blankets.
Exactly. Now I always check the forecast first.
That's wise. I'll do the same from now on.
Hopefully, the weather will stay nice for you.
I hope so too. Fingers crossed.
Let's enjoy the sunshine while we can.
Absolutely. It's a perfect day today.
Yes, it really is. No complaints here.
Dialogue 2. Small talk with neighbors. Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. How are you?
Good afternoon, Jane. I'm doing well, thanks.
The neighborhood is quiet today, isn't it?
Yes, very peaceful. Not much happening.
Have you lived here long, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, about 10 years now, Jane.
That's a long time. Do you like it?
Yes, it's a nice, friendly neighborhood.
I agree. Everyone seems very welcoming here.
Yes, that's what I like most.
Do you know many of the neighbors?
Yes, I know quite a few, Jane.
Have you met the new family next door?
Yes, I introduced myself last weekend.
They seem like a lovely family, don't they?
Yes, very polite and friendly, Jane.
It's nice to have good neighbors around.
Absolutely. It makes life more enjoyable.
Have you noticed the new park nearby?
Yes, it opened just last month.
I took a walk there yesterday.
How was it? Did you like it?
Yes, it's clean and well maintained.
That's great to hear. I'll visit soon.
You should. It's a great place to relax.
Are there many people using the park?
Yes, especially families and dog walkers.
It's nice to see the community enjoying it.
Yes, it really brings people together.
Have you tried the cafe nearby?
Yes, I had coffee there this morning.
How is it? Is the coffee good?
Yes, it's excellent. A cozy little spot.
I'll have to check it out.
You should. It's a great addition to the area.
It's nice to have more options close by.
Definitely. It makes the neighborhood even better.
Have you lived here long, Jane?
Not too long, just over a year.
Do you like it here so far?
Yes, I'm really enjoying it, Mr. Johnson.
I'm glad to hear that, Jane.
Thank you. It's been a great experience.
If you need anything, just ask.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
You're welcome, Jane. Have a great day.
You too, Mr. Johnson. See you around. Dialogue 3. Going to the bank. Good morning, Nancy. How are you?
Good morning, Jane. I'm doing well, thanks.
I'm heading to the bank today.
Oh, what do you need there?
I need to deposit some money.
That's good. How much are you depositing?
Just a small amount from my savings.
It's always wise to save regularly.
Yes, I'm trying to build good habits.
Are you also going to withdraw anything?
No, just the deposit for now.
Do you often visit the bank?
Not too often, maybe once a month.
That's similar to me, Jane.
Do you prefer online banking, Nancy?
Yes, it's convenient, but I still visit sometimes.
I agree. Some things require personal visits.
Exactly. It's also good to check everything personally.
True. Do you like our local bank?
Yes, the staff there are very friendly.
I think so too. Always helpful and polite.
Do you have an account there?
Yes, I've been a customer for years.
Same here. They offer good services.
Are you going to the bank soon?
Yes, I need to pay some bills.
Do you usually pay them in person?
Sometimes, I like to double-check everything.
That makes sense. It's more secure.
Yes, especially for important payments, Jane.
Have you ever had any issues there?
No, never. They're always very professional.
That's reassuring. I'll visit after work.
That sounds good. It shouldn't take long.
Do you know their closing time?
Yes, they close at 5 p.m. today.
Perfect. I'll go around 4 p.m.
That's a good time, not too busy.
I hope so. I don't like long lines.
Me neither. It's best to avoid them.
Do you use the ATM often?
Yes, for quick withdrawals and deposits.
I'll probably use the ATM today.
It's very convenient, especially after hours.
Absolutely. I'll finish my banking quickly.
Good plan, Jane. Have a successful visit.
Thanks, Nancy. You too, if you go.
Thank you, Jane. See you later.
See you later, Nancy. Take care. Dialogue 4. Making an appointment. Good morning, Emily. How are you?
Good morning, Jane. I'm doing well, thanks.
I need to make an appointment today.
What kind of appointment do you need?
I need to see a dentist soon.
Are you experiencing any pain, Jane?
Yes, a little toothache started yesterday.
I see. Do you have a preferred dentist?
Yes, I usually go to Dr. Smith.
Would you like me to call for you?
That would be very helpful, Emily.
What time works best for you?
Late morning or early afternoon, please.
I'll see if they're available then.
Thank you, Emily. I appreciate your help.
No problem, Jane. I'll call now.
I hope they can fit me in today.
I'm sure they'll do their best.
Do you think I should mention the pain?
Yes, it might help them prioritize you.
Good idea. I'll tell them about it.
I just called. They have 11 a.m. available.
That's perfect, Emily. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Jane. Are you nervous?
A little, but I'm relieved to get an appointment.
I understand. Dr. Smith is very gentle.
Yes, that's why I trust him.
Do you need any help getting there?
No, I can manage on my own.
Great. I'm glad everything worked out.
Me too. It's a relief to have it scheduled.
If you need anything, just let me know.
Thank you, Emily. I'll be fine.
I hope the appointment goes smoothly.
I'm sure it will. Thanks again.
Take care, Jane, and good luck.
I will. Have a great day, Emily.
You too, Jane. Talk to you later.
Bye, Emily. See you soon.
Bye, Jane. Take care.
Dialogue 5. Buying a train ticket. Good morning, Helen. How are you?
Good morning, Jane. I'm doing well, thanks.
I need to buy a train ticket.
Where are you traveling to, Jane?
I'm going to visit my family in London.
That sounds lovely. When are you leaving?
I'm planning to leave this Friday morning.
Do you need a one-way or round-trip ticket?
I'll need a round-trip ticket, please.
How long will you be staying there?
I'll be staying for 1 week.
Great. Do you prefer a specific class?
Yes, I'd like a first-class ticket, please.
Do you have a seat preference, Jane?
I prefer a window seat if possible.
I'll check availability for that.
Thank you, Helen. I appreciate your help.
No problem, Jane. Here's your ticket.
That was quick. How much is it?
It's £120 for the round trip.
That's reasonable. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please insert your card.
Here you go. Is it processing now?
Yes, just a moment, Jane.
Okay, I'll wait. Is everything confirmed?
Yes, your payment is successful, Jane.
Great. Do I need anything else?
Just bring your ticket and identification.
Thank you for the reminder, Helen.
You're welcome, Jane. Have a safe trip.
Thanks, Helen. I'm looking forward to it.
Do you travel by train often, Jane?
Not too often, but I enjoy it.
It's a comfortable way to travel.
Yes, I agree. Very relaxing.
Have you planned anything special in London?
Just spending time with my family.
That sounds wonderful. Enjoy every moment.
I will, Helen. Thanks for your help today.
Anytime, Jane. Have a great trip.
You too, Helen. See you later.
See you later, Jane. Take care.